I wanted a neck pillow. Yeah, it's 2,500 bucks. The Vivu's face is not getting recognized. He's some thief, I guess. Kallan and Maga.
I look stoned, it seems.
Bro, steal the stick from her. Bro, I'm gonna be beer biceps, guys. Hyperfitex or Hyper Daily search karo. Okay.
Hold up.
Alright, guys, so we had to start off this vlog at the airport in Terminal 1. We are heading to Mumbai right now, and it's 4:30 a.m. But we are still early for our flight. Our flight is at 6:20, so we have quite a lot of time. But yes, the first thing I want to do is find a neck pillow, guys. After this, I'm going to show you through how to go through the Digi Yatra entry if you haven't used it before, because Digi Yatra just makes your life easier. I wanted a neck pillow. Going with okay, I think this material seems really good. Alright, you have UPI, bro?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. I got this neck pillow. It's pretty good, very good quality, very premium, but it's expensive, guys. Yeah, it's 2,500 bucks. But it's okay, I guess, because it's the airport prices. I'm still getting used to the fact that we can actually record even in the store, right? We can just record the whole process, the purchasing and everything. Most vloggers do that, but I'm so new to this. And I just get so awkward when they stare into the camera. You know what I'm saying, right? Like they just look into the camera. Why is this fucker recording? Now on to the Digi Yatra process, and this is the best part. Okay, as you can see here, there is no crowd at all. If you see everywhere else, all the other boarding, this is the exit happening right here, and the boarding is happening there, and it's pretty crowded. And here is just empty, guys. So we're going to go through the Digi Yatra. So all you got to do is open the Digi Yatra app. And we just put our PDF, or you can just upload a picture, and your boarding pass just comes here, and the whole. Okay, that's an ad. Vibo is very smart today. Okay, but either ways, this is our boarding pass. We have our details. Just go there and scan at the system. But we can't be recording there, so unfortunately, I won't be able to get that whole part of the process. But yes, this is all that we got to scan, and you can just walk through. Just makes life so much easier and cut through the lines. Now let's go before we miss our flight. So Vivo's face is not getting recognized. He's some thief, I guess. Kallan and Maga. Bro, Vivu, what happened?
They asked me to change the picture.
They actually changed the picture.
Yeah.
Why, bro? In that way, you look like a criminal or what?
No, I look stoned, it seems.
Why, bro?
Too dead, bro. Too dead. Too tired.
Too dead. Or two, something that you said earlier.
What, bro? What are you talking about?
You said your picture couldn't be recognized because you were too.
Too handsome, bro. That's what I
Ah.
said.
Just then.
I look stoned, it seems.
So Vivo, as a kind gesture for buying the laptop from the company, is going to buy something for me. Which buying me a Prada shades. Buy me a Prada, bro.
How fast can you run? Depends on that.
How fast can I run? Oh fuck. Bro, steal the stick from her, bro.
Next time you talk to me like that, I will slap you 3 times.
Oh, don't do this, bro. I'm gonna be beer biceps, guys. So touchdown Mumbai, guys. So we finally landed at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. Is that what it's called? Guys, I have to tell you, this is the first time ever I experienced a ear pain in a flight. I've been on so many flights, and not even on an international flight I ever experienced something like this. This was really like hectic at one point. I don't know if it is because I did not sleep at all, or I don't know if it is because of this particular flight or this airline or this particular pilot. But yeah, the landing was not smooth. That is one thing for sure. And yeah, there was a bit of turbulence as well. So guys, so we just entered some random hotel. I don't know what this hotel is called. Yeah, it's called Aira by Orchid Hotel. And we just came for breakfast, guys. We're ordering some chicken Caesar salad. There's some random stuff to eat because we haven't slept all night. and we really have to eat. But the best part about this place is this is how the aesthetics look, and this is the view, guys. And it's so like gloomy and cloudy vibe here. It's because of what roofing they've done. A very great idea to it. But yeah, it's pretty chill, pretty nice. Absolutely love the vibe. Alright guys, so I know right after breakfast or lunch, whatever we had, it's cutting through straight after a lot of things that happened. We just slept in the hotel because we were super sleepy. That's all we could do. We slept. Vibhu was looking all fresh finally, wearing the hyper merch, and that's me all ready. We're going to Bastion right now. We're going to be shooting there. We're going to meet some exciting people. It's going to be a fun shoot. I've never seen Bastion Mumbai. And I know for a fact that it's going to be great. So let's go. Let's see how it goes. क्या पूछना है?
आप यूट्यूबर हो?
हाँ मैं यूट्यूबर हूँ.
अच्छा अपना ना वो करना है आपको देखना है.
हाँ हाइपरफिटेक्स और हाइपर डेली सर्च करो. ठीक है? आप आएगा, आप भी होगा यूट्यूब पे. Thank you.
यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
So we finally just came into the Bastion Bandra, and it's a very intimate spot, very close spot, but really aesthetic. You gotta check this out.
75 years later.
So guys, we just got done with our shoot. Vox Pop was very hectic because it's very crowded out here. But this place is lovely. The vibe is insane.